Every year, thousands of organizations scramble to use their remaining CPD budgets before they disappear. And every year, much of that money goes into tick-the-box training that changes very little. If you're responsible for people, performance, or communication across borders, you already know the pattern. Another generic communication workshop. Another well-being webinar no one uses. Another leadership program that sounds good but doesn't shift behavior. None of these fix the real cost center, multilingual, multicultural miscommunication, the silent problem draining time, trust, and budgets across global teams. Why CPD budgets fail to create real change. Most training assumes communication is a soft skill. But for global organizations, communication isn't soft, it's operational. Miscommunication is responsible for approval delays, conflicting interpretations of the same message, resistance disguised as silence, cultural misunderstandings that stall projects, quality problems caused by unclear instructions. Leaders often think they need better English or more clarity. What they really need is a system. A system that makes messages land consistently across cultures, languages, and logic styles. MC3, the CPD upgrade most leaders didn't know they needed. The MC3 method was designed for companies where communication failures create tangible risks, reputational, financial, and operational. With MC3, teams learn to detect miscommunication early, use predictable behavior patterns, build messages that don't get distorted as they move through the organization, communicate in ways that survive translation, culture, and hierarchy. This is not a language course. It's a communication operating system. Perfect for your NCPD budget, low commitment, high impact. Whether you have £2,000 left for Team CPD, £5,000 remaining in a departmental pot, or a global budget that must be allocated before January, MC3 offers plug-in training blocks that give measurable improvement immediately. Popular options. 2-hour high-risk communication audit for leaders. MC3 training, how to prevent miscommunication in multilingual teams. Staff retreat session, in-person or online, for cross-cultural communication. Diagnostics plus personalized report for executives. No travel required. No long programs. Just rapid results in a compact format, ideal for leftover budget. Who benefits most? HR teams who need to demonstrate CPD outcomes. Leaders responsible for multicultural teams. Quality, HSE, and operations. Auditors and compliance roles. Organizations expanding into new regions. Teams working across time zones and languages. If your organization struggles with project delays, misaligned expectations, repeated errors, or unclear messaging, your CPD budget can fix it. Why now? Training budgets don't roll over. Miscommunication always does. Spend what you have left on something that actually reduces cost, stress, and inefficiency, not another workshop that gets forgotten by February. MC3 turns leftover CPD budgets into measurable impact.